Hello friends, good morning. In the last video, we tried to understood the distinction between crime and a tort. Now today, we try to understand the distinction between the crime and the breach of contract. Before that, we try to understand the breach of contract. What do you mean by breach of contract? Contract is an agreement entered into between the two parties with the certain terms and conditions and for lawful consideration. I repeat the same. The contract is an agreement. Again, there is two elements. It is entered between the two or more parties or people, and there must be a terms and condition and lawful consideration. According to the section 2 subclause H of Indian Contract Act 1872, an agreement enforceable at law. So I repeat the same. According to the section 2 subclause H of the Indian Contract Act 1872, an agreement enforceable at law. In contract, both the parties have obligations. If one party fails to fulfill the obligations, it amounts to be a breach of contract, and other parties may file the suits in the civil court to enforce the agreement. Now we come to difference between the crime and the breach of contract. Crime is a public wrong as it is public at the whole and society at the large. And a breach of contract is the private civil wrong and cause damage to individual or group of individual. I repeat the same. Crime is the public wrong and causes injury public at the whole and causes injury at the society at the large. At the same time, breach of contract is a private civil wrong and cause damages to individual or group of individual. Now, the second point difference between crime and breach of contract is infringement that is violation in the right in rem, and in the breach of contract it is right in personam. Now again I repeat the same. It is the infringement of a right in rem. Right in rem is a Latin word. It means that it is against whole word. Right in rem it is not with your land or with your property or your building, but it is injury. It is a bodily injury. Bodily injury. That is why it is right in rem, and hence it is the against whole word. While as right in personam is with the particular person or a specific person. So it belongs to personal property. That is a building, land, or any possession of the property. So the object of a crime to punish the person, criminal person or convict person, while as object of the breach of contract is provides relief in the sense of specific performance, damages and injunctions against the breach of contract. I repeat the same. The crime, the main objective behind the crime to criminal law to punish the person, convicted person to punish, while the person who breached the contract, object is to provide a relief, that is a specific performance, damages and injunction against the breach of contract or the party or the person. Another difference between crime and breach of contract is crime is tried in criminal courts, as you know everybody, while as breach of contract is tried in the civil court. So another difference is in the crime, fine goes to the state under section 406 subclause 3 of Criminal Procedure Code. But the compensation is not exceeding 1,000 rupees to the victims. While in the law of a contract, the defendant is directly pay damages to the plaintiff. In other words, the amount goes to the plaintiff. Plaintiff is the person who filed the suit due to the another person or party not fulfill the obligations of the contractual liabilities. That's all. Thank you very much, friends. Good day.